Hello, welcome again. We are solving engineering services pre 2018 mechanical engineering paper. Question number 147 is statement 1. In air blast injection, a separate compressor is used to create an air blast at a pressure of 6 MPa. Statement 2. The solid injection system is heavier as it needs increasing fuel pressure to 30 MPa. So options are option A, both statement 1 and statement 2 are individually true, and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Option B, both statement 1 and statement 2 are individually true, but statement 2 is not the correct explanation of statement 1. Statement 1 is option C, statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false, and option B, statement 1 is false but statement 2 is true. So here, according to second statement, the solid injection system is heavier than other systems. That is wrong statement because air blast system uses air compressor. So which uh, it has to compress air. Okay. So that statement is wrong. So second statement is wrong. So it means solid injection system is lighter than the air blast system. So that is answer is option C. Statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. So that is the answer. Statement 1 is in air blast injection a separate compressor is used to create an air of that is true but that is wrong. Answer is C.